2-minute warning debriefing. 2-minute warning debriefing. Thank you.
Tuesday, they were photographed indoors together without a mask. And here comes Karine Jean-Pierre.
This morning, as part of our routine screening program for the president, the SARS-CoV-2 virus was detected by antigen testing.
I have cancer.
President Biden is currently experiencing mild symptoms, mostly a runny nose and fatigue, with an occasional dry cough, which started yesterday evening.
Where was he infected? I don't think we know. I certainly don't know if you have any thoughts on that.
Look, I don't think that matters.
They had pizza pie with hot peppers on it.
You all see where the trend lines are pointing as clearly as I do.